Welcome to Teacher Trivia. Test your teaching and education knowledge. Developing social skills, the use of literal language, and special interest incorporation are strategies for teaching which classified type of children? A. Deaf-blind, B. Emotionally disturbed, C. Autistic, and D. Intellectually disabled. The answer is autistic. These types of teaching strategies are specifically designed for teaching autistic children. Other strategies for teaching them include limiting lecture, using the concrete to teach the abstract, having structured routines. Well done if you got the answer correct. If you would like to learn more about teaching strategies for autistic children, check out the video in the top right corner. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the like button.